Hi, my name is Daria, and today we're going to learn Russian numbers from 1 to 100. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9 and 10. 10. Now let's learn numbers from 11 to 19. All of them have a similar structure. Here we see 11, 11. This comes from 1 на 10, which means 1 above 10. The ending sat comes from the old short form of the word 10, which means 10. Note, the D letter is silent. 11, 11. The numbers from 12 to 19 are very similar. 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20. This comes from Old Russian and it actually means 2 tenths. 20. Then you add the second number. 21, 22, 23, and etc. 30, which is similar to 20, 20, 20, 30. 20, 30. When it comes to 40, something random happens. It's not 40. That does not exist. It's 40. 40. It probably comes from the word 40, which in Old Russian used to mean a pack of fur pelts which were used to make one fur coat. Standard 40 included 40 pelts. Therefore, the word 40 came to mean 40. The numbers 50, 60, 70, and 80 are very similar to each other. But here, tsat is changed to 10, which is even more similar to 10. 50, 50. Do you hear how I pronounce it? 50, 50. 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80. And the number 90 is also a little special. It's 90, which probably means 9 tenths to 100. 90, 90. And 100 is 100. 100. Let's practice a bit. This number is 31. This number is 25. 78. 64. 99. 72. 44. 57. 29. That's all for today. See you in the next videos.